Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of your quick weave. To start, always protect your natural hair by avoiding excessive tension during styling. Before bed, wrap your hair in a silk or satin scarf to prevent tangling and frizz. When detangling, use a wide-tooth comb and work gently from the ends upwards. This helps maintain the integrity of both your weave and your natural hair underneath. Washing your quick weave is important for freshness, but don't overdo it. Aim to wash every 1 to 2 weeks to avoid loosening the adhesive. Always use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to prevent drying out the hair. When washing, gently massage the shampoo into the weave, focusing on the length, and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Proper drying is crucial to prevent mildew and maintain your style. Air dry your quick weave naturally whenever possible. If you need to use heat, a hooded dryer on a low setting is best. When styling, apply a light leave-in conditioner to keep the hair hydrated, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Limit heat styling and use a heat protectant with low settings if necessary. For the health of your natural hair, quick weaves typically last between 4 to 6 weeks. Regularly moisturize your scalp underneath the weave to prevent dryness. When it's time for removal, use an oil-based adhesive remover or natural oil to gently loosen the glue. Take your time and remove the tracks carefully to prevent any damage to your natural hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.